Okay guys, good evening. Carty&Carty with another repair, guys, and this time it's a big boy I have here, as they would say, big boy. This is a CROSSFIRE. I forgot the wattage. Oh shit, man, this thing is heavy, guys. So let me check the in here. It's CROSSFIRE, and this is the XT16K, it says, and the wattage would be what? It doesn't say what. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the CROSSFIRE, and this one is a big one. Let me flip it over. CROSSFIRE, man. Yikes. Man, made in Korea. Well, 16K mean is 16,000, I think. What is it says, that's what it's trying to say, yeah. 16 volts. Let me take the cover off. I already removed a couple screws, but I didn't go too far. I just removed these and I think I had some parts for it. Where is it? This thing is so horrible, man. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Turn this fan on. Sorry guys if you hear the fan in the background. Yeah, it's going to be loud. And this thing, guys, as you can see, it's really big. So that's power supply right here. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. 10 transformers for the power supplies. What is about power supply? The filter cap are 3,325 volts for the power supply, and these filter caps is 160 volts, 2,200 microfarad. Same here. Alright, man. Same here, 160 volts, 2,200. Okay guys, and here's where it had a problem that I noticed from earlier. So this section here, alright, let me see how I'm going to. Let me take this phone out. Okay guys, I'll show you. If you guys can see, right here is where I have the problem, guys, with this amplifier right here. Yep. So see if I can give you guys a little tour. Not quite sure where the camera is working on this thing, but it's right here. Yeah, you can see smoke up right here. Messed up right. I don't know why I can't do this thing too. Yep, right here. Yes, alright, perfect. So right here is where the problem is, guys. Alright, so let me give you a little tour of this amplifier, guys. This is from the, yep, as you can see there, it's terminal, yeah, 3 power supply input connection for this amplifier. Yeah, guys, and this amplifier measures, like, I think it measures 38, no, this size measures like 40, along with the, you know, the terminal and stuff. It measures 40, and around the other side measures 38, you know, inches. So yeah, but guys, I'm gonna pay attention to here. Well, not really say here, I'm going to. Oh boy, this thing is a lot. I wish I had a better, I don't know what to say. This thing maxes up the counter is big, but the phone, the camera, I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna focus on where I'm working on. So I'm gonna remove these little thing here. Alright, you guys can see. Maybe put the camera a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down to the side where I'm going with this, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I use an all-in key. Remove this. There. And this amplifier, guys, was a pain to get the original part for this thing. Yeah. I have to go to a 3-person cancel the order and stuff like that. Even when it's on the way, like, you know, like, they lied to me of what the product was. They didn't send me a picture and all that stuff, and I told them that's wrong, you know. Eventually, you know, I was trying to, you know, debate and stuff like that. The picture was genuine, but it wasn't, and they canceled the order. So and I finally get the right one for this, because working on something like this, you don't want a customer to, you know, return to you. Definitely not. Stuff like this, I don't play around with parts like amplifier like this. Yeah, this is like a 3,500 worth of amplifier or more. Alright, so with a little. Alright, good. Okay. Oh my words. Oh, this is too much, right? This is too much. Yikes. So guys, I'm gonna remove 4 screws here. These 4 screws, not 4, 5. Yeah. This is what connect the circuit, guys, right? This is connected to the power supply section, and so I'm gonna, oh wow, something in my finger, ow. So I'm going to try to separate this from the power supply circuit board. I don't think it's gonna be that easy, but I'm going to give it a try. So let me try and remove these yeah, come on. So it's not, wow. Remove these transistors from the heatsink. It's not that easy, because heating, so for the insulator, for the, yeah, the heating pad, for the yeah, for the transistors, yeah, they are not coming out of the transistors that easy. So this is gonna take a little while. This is kind of weird of doing this. Alright, so I got a little, okay, got a little idea. So push down and behind the transistor. Alright, that's work. That's working. Wow. Yep, guys. Wow. Oh yeah. I'm getting there. I'm getting there, guys. So I heard the first time they have to repair this amplifier, guys, they have to send it to the company, and it takes like what? I think they say it takes like 8 months. Holy wow. What's going on here? Okay. 8 months for them to get it back. That's, oh my goodness, that's a long time. That's a long time. All right. Yep. This guys. All these apart here. Where is it? Damn. Piece of this. Oh yeah, right here. Come on. Let's get a piece of this transistor on the edge of this. Yeah, it's broken off. That's. Not only that. Shut. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at that. Yeah, this thing blown apart, like, yep. And these output, guys, are the FDH45N50F. So that FDH45N50F. Yep. Alright. This thing's supposed to display a nice little good view. Oh yeah, it does. Haha. That's nice. So it's a good thing. So hope you show where they, yeah, you know. Wow. It's a good thing I had a whole set for it, because you know, this is how this thing goes, guys. I didn't see this one. I didn't take it apart to see, you know. But it seems like all this channel is blown out. Definitely. It's shot. All this channel is blown. No doubt about it. I have to replace everything here. Oh yeah. This one don't get shot too. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. And these are some voltage regulators. So I'm gonna remove here. Alright, let me show you guys. Remove the plug on for it. Okay, only shot wrap. We have that for that. We have that for that here. Alright, let me make sure I number them. These are for the input, guys, so I have to make sure I remove them in order. Wow, why the heck is this thing coming apart? How the heck I'm going to number them now? So I think they do it like, oh really? Wow. Nothing is in order here. Input and output. So where's the input? Both input are up here. So it's channel dot. Right? Yeah, that's what I figured out. So we have input for the right here, input for the left second, input for the output here would be the third one, and input for the output left is the fourth one. So that shouldn't be hard to figure out. So it would be input right, input left. I'll figure it out. That can't be too hard. Alright guys. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna take this whole thing apart. Let me try to remove yikes. So this video is gonna be longer than I expected. Sorry if my hand is in the way. Anyway. Alright, these are the screws for that section. Okay, I've some screw that hold the circuit board, which is pretty good. I like that. I like what they do. A lot of amplifiers, they don't do that. Screw the bolt the circuit board down. Easier. Easier to do it. So. Come on. 1, 2. Yep, there's one here too. So you have like, oh really? You have one here too? So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that screw this output section down, guys. So remember to be on the lookout for those if you're repairing one of these amplifiers. Alright, so yeah, so this is a CROSSFIRE. Cross hungry. It's like Bounty Killer and Caperton, you know, together. Caperton the fireman, Bounty Killer the cross and hungry one. So yeah, a lot of Jamaicans will understand what I'm saying. Some folks wouldn't understand, but you know, yikes. Alright. Oh, this shot. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go this way. Yikes. Alright. So guys, the power supply is good in this thing. I should think. Not sure. But I'll let you guys know if the power supply is perfect in this amplifier. But I should think the power supply is perfectly fine. So for now, I'm going to cover on back on this thing and put it aside. Alright, so let's find out good spot for it here to put it in the garage so it doesn't bug my wife or my kids. Let me see here where I can put it. Alright, yeah. Oh man, put it on the floor right beside me, guys. So yeah, this is the output section of this amplifier, and you can see, and then you can see here what it looks like. Maybe I turned it upside down. No, it's right, just right. And then this is where these connect to the power supply, so you get the voltage and stuff across. So it looks pretty good, pretty good, but it's not. So as you can see, guys, let me see here, where do I have that one that shot right here? Damn, this thing was blown apart. Look at that, guys. You could see the inside of that transistor. Look at that, close up and personal. Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah, that one was blown apart. And the section that blown that I saw was here, but it doesn't. You see that, guys? Yep. See that? That's the part that I saw was blown. I didn't see this section down here, so everything's on this side. I'm gonna have to replace, and also on that side, all of those transistors. Man, this thing is a this thing is a costly repair for the, well, maybe it's not too costly for it. I think it costly, but they don't think that way. I think I'm repaying this amplifier too cheap. I told the customer the price, he says yes, but I thought I was, you know, I was charging too much. And I was like, oh my words. But it is what it is, guys. I'm pretty fair on my pricing of this stuff, so you know, once I get the original price, I get it for a decent price, and I told the customer, yeah, once they plan, you know, to work with it, I say, yeah. But guys, that's it for now, and please stay tuned, guys. I'm going to make a part 2 of this video so you guys can see what else I'm going to do with this. As I showed you before, all these MOSFETs are blown, you know, and these are the FDH45N50F. So I'm going to replace them, and plus I'm going to have to replace some resistor up here. Yeah, I have to replace some gate resistors, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, so see you on part 2 of this video, guys. Really like you guys watching my video. I really appreciate it, and please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and please, as I said, please tune for part 2 of this video, and there's a lot more in store, guys. A lot more. So Carty&Carty out for now, but this CROSSFIRE 16K repair part 2 is coming up. Okay guys, please like, subscribe, and I say enough respect.